First, begin by separating the inner circle from the provided cutout template. Lightly trace the cutout path by marking the inner circumference of the cutout template. Once you have the hole traced, cut the trace circle away from the material. Once the hole has been cut, you may now install the bracket onto your material. After the bracket has been secured to your material, you can now insert the speaker assembly into the bracket. Once they are aligned, twist the speaker assembly counterclockwise to lock the pan head screws into the keyholes on the bracket. Secure the speaker assembly to the bracket by securing the pan head screws into place. If you are installing a square grille, you're going to want to make sure that the grille is aligned after installation. This alignment can be done by first loosening the bracket from the material, placing the magnetic grille into place, and then rotating the grille until the desired alignment is reached. Once you've found the proper alignment, secure the speaker into place by tightening the bracket screws. After this, apply the grille, and this will complete the Qxc series installation.